Good morning, good morning. Yes, I am back again. I am back again because of Vlogmas and I have to do my hair. Now these are the comfortable braids I had in my hair and now they've been in there for about, trying to figure out how many days. I think 2 days now, 2 days. Yeah, and I am taking them out because I'm going to work and I'm also going to be taking pictures today. I am going to have a photo shoot with my husband for the holidays. So we will be sending out our Christmas cards and they'll be personalized with our pictures. And I may even take one picture all alone to send it out to my customers, my clients, my hair salon. Now, if you would like to receive one of my pictures, or if you would like to receive a greeting card from me for the holidays, then message me on Instagram. I'll put up a picture of myself in my outfit of the day, and you can message me your mailing address and I will send you, my subscribers, a greeting card. I think that's a good idea. Thank you, Lord, for giving that to me. Just to thank you for all that you do for me in this channel. I just want to say thank you. You've really, really been a support to me. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will know every time I upload a video. And the month of December, it will be every day, at least throughout December 24th. Yes. And so now I'm going to go ahead and take out these braids quickly. So you know what that means. That means I'm going to fast forward this. And there's more to come. Now this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. You know, He woke me up this morning in my right mind. I could clothe my own body with no assistance from anyone. And that is quite a blessing. And I thank God for that. I thank God for who He is, what He does, and what He allows me to do as well. Thank you, Lord, and keep your people safe, healthy, and strong during this holiday season. my 360 and stay tuned for what's to come. Have a great day. Okay, I'm in the salon already. I am scheduled for a photo shoot at 9 o'clock. It is now 8:41, and at 9:30, I will be finished with that and I'll start working on my first client of the day. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. Make sure you inbox me on Instagram if you'd like for me to send you a greeting card for the holidays. Inbox me your contact information, your address, so I can mail it. It'll be done by snail mail. Or if you send me an email address, I'll email you your greeting. Have a great day.